Hi class, welcome back. So we have this video and one more video before we finish all 100 common irregular verbs in the past tense. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, everyone, welcome back. So we are going to look at number 66 to number 85 today. So number 66, the verb is swing. So think of a baseball player. The past tense is swung. We can use this verb two ways. For example, children like to play on swings. These are swings. So the children swung on the playground. And this is an example of a baseball player. You see this? So he swung the baseball bat. So why did he swing the baseball bat? The baseball player swung his bat because he wanted to hit a home run. A home run is when you hit the ball very, very far so no one can catch it and you can win the game. All right, rise, rise, rose, like the flower rose in the past tense. Where did the sun rise? The sun rose in the east and set in the west, like this. So the sun comes up in the east and it goes down in the west. Next, sting. Ouch. Past tense, stung. Where did the bee sting you? The bee stung my hand. It hurt. Ouch. This is an example of a bee sting. So the bee has a stinger, and if you bother a bee sometimes, it will try to hurt you to protect its other bees and the queen bee. So the bee stung my hand. Hold. Hold. Past tense, held. You can hold hands, for example. So did you hold the baby or the little boy's hand when you crossed the street? Yes, I held my little brother's hand when we walked across the street. And this is a quick little photo for you of the boy, and he held his, I think this is his mom, he held his mom's hand. Get. Get means to obtain. There are many ways to use this verb, but let's try to focus on the simple definitions. So get means obtain. For example, if I leave my house and I ask my boyfriend, oh, can you get my car keys for me? Can you go and get and give me my car keys? Get. Past tense, got. You can also use this verb together with other nouns or activities. So, for example, when did you get a haircut? Oh, I got a haircut last week. Mean, meant. What did you mean? Right? Sometimes when we communicate, we don't understand what someone is saying. So we ask them to explain. What did you mean? Oh, I meant what I said. Now, when someone says this, I meant what I said. Maybe you tell your daughter or son, you can't go to the party. And your daughter and son ask, why? No, please, mom, please, dad, I want to go. And you say, no, I meant what I said. Your intention is clear. You will not change your mind. I meant what I said. Or this could also mean that you are genuine. You really feel what you are saying. If I say I love you, I meant what I said. I really mean that I love you. I love all of you. Okay. Forbid. Forbade. Past tense. Why did you forbid your daughter from going to the party? I forbade her because she's too young. Forbid, forbade means you are telling someone that they cannot do something or there will be consequences. they may get punished or in trouble. So forbid. What does your boss forbid you from doing at work? Maybe my boss forbade me from using my cell phone at work, from looking at YouTube or Netflix at work. Swear. Past tense, swore. So for my students that are preparing for their citizenship test, you know this verb. Swear, swore. What did you swear? Oh, I swore to tell the truth, no lies. It's a very serious promise. Sometimes children say, pinky promise, I swear, I promise. Okay. Eat. Past tense, ate, like the number. Did you eat? Yeah, I ate a hamburger. Ate. Hide. Past tense, hid. So hide, long vowel sound, like hide. Past tense, hid. Where did the child hide during the game? Oh, she hid under the bed. Children like to play this game of hide and seek. So the boy, in this case, he hid under the bed. Fight. Fought. Fought. Did you fight with your brother when you were young? Oh, yes. We fought all the time. Fought. Fight, fought. It can be verbal, like you're talking, you're fighting, or it could be physical, where you are hurting someone. Choose. Choose. Long vowel sound. Past tense. 1-0. Chose. Chose. Which car did you choose? Oh, I chose the red Ferrari. Haha. Okay, stand, stood. Like, do you understand? Oh, he understood. When did the baby stand? He stood yesterday by himself. Build, built. Wow, when did he build his home? He built it 35 years ago. I have many students that work in the construction field, and they built many homes, many buildings, many windows, many cars. Very, very creative and very hardworking. All right. Keep, kept. Where did you keep your photos and memories? I kept them in a box for all these years. Many people take photos because they want to keep these memories. They don't want to lose them. Go. Went. Where did you go? I went to the movie theaters. Bleed. So bleed is the verb. The noun is blood. Bleed. Past tense, bled. Where did you bleed? My head bled. I fell yesterday. And I went to the doctor. Last one, shine. Think of like the sun. Shine. Past tense, shined, shone. So the rule for this is very specific. I want to explain this in another video with objects in a sentence. But in this case, for right now, I want to show you that there's two ways to use the verb shine in the past tense. You can say shined or shone. More commonly, I hear the verb shined. So what did the police shine a light on? Oh, she shined a light into a car, like this. Sometimes at night, a police person, a police officer, a policeman, a policewoman will shine a light because it is difficult to see. Next, for our final video, we will cover number 86 to 100. We are almost done and you are doing such a wonderful job. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope that all of you have a fantastic Thanksgiving break. Eat lots of delicious food, and I hope to see all of you really soon again. Bye.